Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Victor the Analyst. So today we're going to be looking at how to add image and text box in Power BI reports. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so to subscribe now and like this video. Thank you very much. Alright, welcome back everyone. We're going to be looking at how to add a text box and image into our report. So what we're going to do is now, the first thing we do, you go to the insert. So insert, you go to the image. So first let's add the image. So I have my image already on my system saved. So I'll click on this image icon. So a dialog box will show. Let's wait for it to come up. Okay, I will go to my downloads. Alright, so I have this image. I'm just gonna select this. Let me see. Alright, just click on open. Alright, this is my image. Oh, this one has background, so I don't want the one that has background. So I'll go back again. There's one I've actually removed the background using a website called background remover. So let me just come down. If I will see, okay, I can't find that. Okay, I think let me go to my picture. Okay, here we go. I think this is, select this and I'll click on open. Okay, so just reduce this, bring this one up here. So that's as easy. You can bring in image. So I'll put the link on this video description on how you can remove background color on image. Like you can see, the other one I brought in was having a white background. So there is a website I use called I don't know, I'll just drop it on the video description so you can look it up. So now let's bring in a text box. So the text box is going to have the report's title. That's going to be our report's title. So still on insert, I'll click on this icon here that has like a, which is add a text box to your report. So I'll click on this. So I'll drag this here. So you cannot move. Okay, yeah, I moved it and I'll reduce this. So if you cannot move at some points, if you cannot move it, just always just drag. You can, let's say for example it was here before. Let's say if it was here and you cannot move. If you cannot move, you can see it's not moving. So what you just need to do, just drag the edges and drag this one. So this point, drag this up and drag this out. Okay, good. So now let's input our title. Let's input the title. So this is going to be let me just look at the other title. What we have here, this is workforce advancement tracker. So I'll be like workforce let me see, I wrote that. Okay, workforce advancement tracker. Okay, so okay, I'll make this one capital letter. tracker. So let's edit this. Let's design this text. So I will just highlight this. All these elements here, that was I will use to edit or design the text box. I'll click on this font drop down. I'll choose 28. Let's see how 28 look like. Okay, let's look at 32. Okay, 32 is good. I'll make it bold. Good. And I'll align to the center. After aligning to the center, I want to change the color. I'll click on this icon here, the arrow drop down. So now I'll choose this color. Now for the white background color we have here, we'll go to the format text box. We'll go to the effects drop down. Then we'll say no background. Now we want to create like a what's it called, shadow effect. If you can see in this my dashboard, I have like a shadow effect on this, so I'll create a shadow effect for this. So let's go there and do that. And this one too, we have a shadow effect. Sorry, this one does not have, but we'll create one for that too as well. So selecting this, we are going to go to the shadow. Okay, so now the shadow is actually facing down and right, so make it face. Let's click on the drop down, which is bottom and right, so make it bottom and left. Bottom left. Let's go to the bottom left. Choose the bottom left. Good. Now let's select this other table. So we'll go to the general. Under the effects, we go to the shadow. We are on the shadow. Come down. We say the bottom left. Good. So let me just click outside here. All right. Now we've perfectly and we've actually done we've created a report, like a tracker system that can help us track our confirmation, our promotion, and our exit. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm begging us to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. If this video is actually a good enough for you, please do so, and make sure you can actually contact me if you have any issues pertaining to this video. And again, if you have any topic you want me to actually make a video on, you can drop it on the comment section. Please don't forget to like the videos, just to help me, the algorithm, bring up my videos often. So thank you very much, and thanks you for getting up to this point. Thank you very much.